Welcome to the installation video for the RUKD Series 20 quart and 32 quart waste pullout. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a frame, slides, optional wire basket, uprights, a handle, a 20 or 32 quart waste container, number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws, M4 machine screws, and washers. First, determine the position you would like to install your waste container. There is a narrow way and a wide way. Take into consideration your cabinet door hinges, as your product will need to slide in and out without interference. Next, ensure the frame is facing the proper direction when placing on the slides. The dips allow room for the uprights to slide into the frame. We will cover that step in a moment. Match the frame hole locations with the slide hole locations and snap the frame into the slides. Extend the slides to full extension and use the M4 machine screws and the washers to secure the frame into the slides. Place the frame assembly into the cabinet. Mark 4 hole locations with your pencil. Remove the frame and pre-drill with the 3/32 inch bit. Next, attach the frame to the cabinet floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Attach the uprights to the frame. Insert the 20 quart or 32 quart gray waste container. Snap the handle to the front upright. A basket is available for select configurations. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.